Investing can feel scary for many people. The fear of losing money often stops beginners from even starting. However, the truth is that investing safely is not about avoiding all risk, it's about managing risk intelligently. Smart and safe investing is built on simple, proven principles that protect your money while still allowing it to grow steadily over time. The first and most important rule of safe investing is to build a strong foundation before you invest. Never put money into the market if you don't have an emergency fund covering 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Also, pay off all high-interest debt, like credit cards, first. Only when your basics are secure should you begin investing. Second, understand your own risk tolerance. Safe investing starts with knowing yourself, your age, income, goals, and how much loss you can emotionally handle. A young person can afford slightly more risk than someone close to retirement. Always invest with a clear plan instead of following hot trends or emotions. Third, diversification is your best protection. The safest investors never put all their money into one stock, one industry, or even one country. The simplest and most effective way is to invest in low-cost index funds or ETFs that track the entire market, such as the S&P 500. This way, you own a small piece of hundreds or thousands of companies, greatly reducing the risk that any single company can hurt you. Fourth, focus on long-term investing. The safest strategy is buy and hold. History shows that the stock market goes up over time despite short-term crashes. Trying to time the market or chase quick profits is one of the fastest ways to lose money. Patient investors who stay invested for 10, 20, or 30 years almost always come out ahead. Fifth, choose quality and simplicity. The safest investments for most people include broad market index funds and ETFs, dividend-paying blue-chip stocks from stable companies, government bonds or high-quality bond funds, real estate through REITs, if you want property exposure without buying houses. Avoid complex products, cryptocurrency speculation, or guaranteed high returns. These are usually the opposite of safe. Finally, keep learning and stay disciplined. Safe investing is not a one-time decision. Review your portfolio once or twice a year, rebalance when needed, and never stop educating yourself. The most successful safe investors treat their money with respect and patience. In conclusion, the safest way to invest is not about finding the perfect stock or timing the market perfectly. It is about building a solid foundation, diversifying wisely, thinking long-term, and staying consistent. When you invest this way, you protect your money while still giving it the best chance to grow steadily into real wealth. True safety doesn't come from avoiding the market, it comes from understanding it and treating it with discipline and respect.